Fighting those dark circles, got those tired looking eyes. I know it happens to me too. But today we're going to be talking about a dark circle corrector that might, just might, be the answer you've been looking for. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about a product that I've been testing to see if it would actually do what I needed to do for dark circles under the eyes. But first, if you're new to the channel and you're unfamiliar with who I am, I'm Chris. I'm a skincare expert. I've been doing this for a really, really long time. And on this channel, we talk about products that will work for you, not empty your wallet, and not do you more harm than good. So if that's the kind of content that you've really been looking for on YouTube, then please do me a big favor, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so that you know when my new videos come out each week. Okay, so you guys have been asking, a lot of you have been asking about a solution for dark circles, the little dark areas under the eyes that are very difficult to hide. Now, I do have a whole video on this particular topic, this one right here, which I will link to at the end of this video and also put down below in the video description box. And if you don't know what that is, below this video on your right and my left is a little tiny down arrow. And if you click that little down arrow, it will open up the video description box where the link to that video will be along with the product that I'm talking about today. All right, so yes, a lot of you have been asking me about the dark circles, and that put me on a mission to find a product that would help alleviate the dark skin layers under the eye that contribute to the dark circles, but also give some sort of immediate coverage, because for some people, myself included, it doesn't matter what we do because the skin under our eyes is thin and it allows that vast network of blood vessels to sort of show through. So we're never going to really completely get rid of the dark circles in that case. So I needed something that could do something about it. So after testing many products, I came across this one, the number 7 Dark Spot Corrector. Now, this is a newer dark spot correcting product in the skincare community, even though it came out in July of 2019, which seems like that doesn't really make it a new product. But again, in the line of number 7 skincare products and in general for dark circles, it is fairly new. Now, since this is a problem that I myself deal with, the bar for these types of products is set very, very high. Pulling all-nighters for YouTube, doing these videos, and then of course this time change, well, here we are. Now, the first benefit of this particular product is that it contains a very sheer, light amount of tint. So it acts as a concealer. So while the serum ingredients are working on your skin to improve the overall look of that, the concealer or tint helps make improvement immediately. So for me, that was a really big deal because again, no matter what I do, there's going to be some sort of dark circle going on all the time. That also means that you guys or men who watch the channel, this is for you too, because you can use this product and it blends in so well that it doesn't look like you have makeup on. I know that's a big deal for some of you guys, but this will work for you. Now, I love the tip design. If you look right here, you'll see 5 little beads buried in the tip applicator. I love this because what this does is allow you to massage under the eye lightly while you're applying the serum product, which is really great because one of the active ingredients in this product is caffeine. And what caffeine will do is speed up superficial circulation along with the massage, and caffeine reduces puffiness and that tired look that we get, especially when we wake up in the morning for the extra fluids that gather around the eye area while we sleep. Caffeine is excellent as an active ingredient for helping to reduce that. So right away, you're getting serum product into the skin. Now, I really like this serum formulation that number 7 has put together because it does contain hyaluronic acid, which I talk about extensively on the channel, is going to be able to hydrate your skin all day long. They also added marine algae, which helps smooth and soothe the skin and remove any of that redness that may occur around the area of the eyes from, say, like from allergies or rubbing the eyes, or maybe you just have that issue in general. Marine algae is an excellent ingredient for this. They've also included skin lightening ingredients, of course, to help fragment and disperse that extra pigment that can gather there, the hyperpigmentation. Things like ascorbyl glucosamide, think vitamin C, ginseng extract, Morus alba leaf extract, and Asparagopsis mata extract. All of those are going to help disperse any pigmentation that's gathered, so hyperpigmentation, and also going to help speed up that cellular turnover that needs to happen to get new, stronger, healthier cells to come forward under the eye. So after using this product for a period of time and not very long, you're going to see some really great improvements for the dark circle issues if that's what you've been looking for. Now, I got up extra early this morning to demonstrate this for you guys because that's when my dark circles are most apparent. And I look like I've been out all night. Actually, I was up until like 2 in the morning answering questions on YouTube, so that's not far off from the truth. But we're going to pick a side. The one that's most evident is always this side on me. So I'm going to use the product. And as I said, you can massage, and the beads are like really, really cool feeling on the skin, which helps. Now, you don't want to squeeze out a ton of this tinted product because you don't want a big glob of that. You don't need it, just enough to lightly dampen the skin, and you can already see the big difference between this eye and this eye as I look in the camera. Yeah, big difference. So this product really, really does work very, very well. I'm excited about it. I'm going to be using this from now on. And the other great news is that it is not a costly skincare product. It comes in around $22 online and at major retailers. So that makes it a very easy thing to have on most people's budgets, including mine. Now, here's what you can expect. If you decide to use this product, it does come in a couple of tint bases. One is a medium to dark skin tone. That's the one that I chose, which in reality should be a little bit too dark for my skin. But as you saw, it blends in very, very well. There is also one for light, fair complected folks. If you have a slightly reddish tint to your skin, then you may want to go the lighter version and try that first, because you don't want it to look like you have something just under your eye, especially if you're a guy. You really don't want that. But it really does blend in well, as you saw. The thing that you need to know, since it is a serum, even though it has tint in it, you want to be sure and use it in the AM and PM per the labeled instructions so you get those benefits. What you will see is in about 10 to 14 days, you will see a really big improvement in the hyperpigmentation, if that's your issue, that's under your eyes. You're going to immediately see hydration and smoother skin and less redness. And of course, this great tint concealer that's included in this formulation. Sounds like this is a sponsored video. It's not. Number 7 doesn't know I'm even doing this video, but I wanted to get this in front of you guys because it is working so well for me. And I know you guys have been, I would say, hounding me for an answer, but you've really been looking for an answer. Now, I hope this video today helps you decide if the number 7 Dark Circle Corrector is a good fit for your skin and your routine. If it is, please give the video a like and share it out, and let me know in the comments below what products that you've tried for dark circles that worked or even didn't work. I'd really like to know. Also, be sure to check out the next videos that are coming up, that are mine, of course, because they will help you figure out what your best skincare routine is for your skin type, helping you get your best skin ever. And that's what we're all about. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. You are absolutely amazing. I love you. Stay beautiful, and I will see you over on the next video.